This is our interpretation of a Transformer robot that is inspired by the Autobot Bumblebee. The yellow color scheme was selected to replicate that of Bumblebee as well. All of the vehicle components of our model are based on parts of a 2015 Camaro, which is Bumblebee's transformation. All of our joints have full rotation in the arms, legs, hips, and head. We have replaced the alien core with a V6 Camaro engine. The engine is assembled to the back of the robot and connects to the body with hoses. The first moving component of the engine are the rotating air filters, which are mated to the air turbos. As we look inside the engine, we can see the mated relationship between the crankshaft, camshaft, and belt wheels. The larger and smaller wheels share a 2-to-1 gear ratio, so the crankshaft and camshaft are timed perfectly. Now we look at the mates between the valve and the valve spring. This is a combination of standard and mechanical mates and demonstrates the dynamic spring component. We now have the sheet metal door and wheel assembly, which symbolizes wings. The wings are located on the back of the transformer. We also have a rotating tire. The head assembly consists of 11 components and has full rotation in the neck. The neck rotation is made possible by the universal joint, which allows for 360 degrees of movement. The upper body is about 20 components and is decorated with the Camaro sheet metal hood on the front of the chest. There's hip movement in this part of the body, which accounts for the forward and back movement. The lower body allows for the sideways rotation of the hips. The arm has 13 components consisting of both solid bodies and sheet metal. We have movement in the shoulder, elbow, and wrist joints. We also have a fully functioning hand, and each finger has 3 knuckle joints to bend as a human hand would. It is also accompanied by a full wrist movement. The leg has about 20 components and is also made up of both solid bodies and sheet metal. The leg has joint movement at the hips, knees, and ankle and is accompanied by a rotating tire. Our model has full functionality in every joint and has a sheet metal sword to top it off.